Potomac Airfield 2017 MicroTower. Note the batteries are on site, the base is installed. First open the crates. Use the tops as workspace. Lay out the parts so they're easy to find. Next, install the base hardware. Install the lower mast. Install the upper mast, and install all of the sensors on the mast, including the visibility sensor. Next, the VHF antenna. Now feed the cables from the upper mast down the lower mast until they come out to the front to be connected. Raise the upper mast into position until it locks. Next, install the battery box. Set the panels aside and install the arms. Install the main box by removing its bottom cover and hanging it on the mast. Plug in the various cables and then put the cover back on. Slide the solar panels on. Secure and connect the panels. Install batteries, CPU, and calibration kit in the door. Don't forget the animal covers at the base. Double check alignment, secure, power it up, listen to the diagnostics, and you're done.